Good morning, students. Today we discussed how to create a simple website using Composer program. Creating a simple website. Earlier we discussed about planning for a successful website. Now we discussed how to create a website using Composer. An interlink web pages is known as website. The home page is the first page of the website that opens when the user enters the URL address in the address bar of the browser. The home of our website should list all categories of the items that are available. Means now we discussed about web pages. What is but first we discussed about website. What is website? Website is a collection of pages, means interlinked pages is known as website. When user enter the URL of the address bar of the browser, the first page is displayed of the site that is called home page, and all categories. For example, you create a website for school, so categories like bottles, water bottle, lunch box, books, textbooks, pencil, pen, etc. are the example of the categories displayed on the home page. To create the website, various designs which are known as template are freely available on internet. We can easily download the template and customize them as per our need. Means first you open Composer and click on Insert Table button. It displays a box, so you select one cell or table for creating a website. Different formats are freely available on internet is known as template. If you want to download any ready-made template, so you download it easily on internet and customize it. Then after you give a title and save your page. When you save it, give a proper name, but sometimes you can't give a file name. It takes different name, that is index.html. All web pages built inside the directories on web servers, and it should as a separate file on that server. Web server needs a default file name in order to display some content. This default file is the page name index.html. Thus, when we type a URL without the file name, the server looks for the default file and displays it automatically. We will give a background color to the insert table. Right click the table and select table cell properties. You can see two tabs, tables and cells, which allows users. Means you type a URL. URL means URL is a path that is used for search a page or a file. So first you enter a URL without the file name, the server looks for the default file name and display it. If you want to give a background color in your table or a particular cell as per your need, right-click on Table Cell Properties. The dialog box will appear. There are two tabs displayed, that is Tables and Cells. Let us discuss the option of the table tabs. Size. Size is show the number of rows, columns, height and width of the table. Height and width can be specified in pixels or percent of the window. Borders and spacing is shows the border option is in case you want to give a border to the table, and spacing is used to specify gap between cells. Table alignment used to align your table like left, center or right. Caption is used to give caption to the table if required. Caption means heading of your table. Background color. Give a background color to the table. To insert image, select insert image. Select the image which you want to insert. Select the don't use alternate text radio button in case you do not want to view alternate text. Click on OK button if you want to resize the image. The dimension dash custom size option is selected. Means if you want to insert any image in the table, click on insert image option, select the image and click OK button. Select don't use alternate text when you do not want to insert or view any alternative text. We will insert another table at the bottom of the page for the details like about, feedback, contact us and sitemap, and insert links and text as per your need. Means if you want to insert any other details like about your site, feedback, contact us, etc. So you insert another table at the bottom of the site. A cookie is a variable that is stored on the user's computer. They are used to as they provide features to remember and track performance, purchase, commission and other information required for better visitor experience or site static. JavaScript manipulate cookie using the cookie property of the document object. Cookies can be read, created, modified and deleted. Means now we discussed about cookie. What is cookie? Cookie is a variable that is stored in users' computers. It remembers and tracks preference for better visitors experience. You can read, created, modified and delete cookies.